Here I'm on a new page. It's completely blank. So let's start by adding a hero section. I already have a hero section saved in my library. So I'm going to insert that from library. Let's use this section. As you can see, my section is been imported. Let's delete the blank one. Here in the layer panel, you can see that section I have here has two rows. Inside one row, I kept a subtitle, a heading, a hero, text, then a button. In the second row, I have an image. This is how this section is structured. You can build a similar layout or a different one as per your requirement. Before we start creating animation, let me quickly show you how to find DiviMotion setting panel. At the moment, DiviMotion settings are available on sections, rows, and columns. Eventually, those controls will also be available on individual module. To access DiviMotion, click on this setting icon of the section. Then navigate to Design tab. Here in the second option, you can see that's DiviMotion. From here, you can add your interaction and animate the section. Even though these settings lives inside a section, row, or column, they are not limited to just that element. You can target or animate other element including module based on your needs. Don't worry, I'll show you exactly how this works step by step.